Today's show is sponsored by Dossier. Today I am opening my Dossier perfume that just came in the mail. Dossier reproduces classic high-end luxury scents, and I love this company because they use the exact same high-quality ingredients of expensive brand name perfumes at a fraction of the cost. So whatever your favorite high-end fragrance, you can probably find it at Dossier. Plus, the ingredients are clean and vegan. I ordered Floral Honeysuckle, and it comes with a very detailed information card. It has all the notes that make up the scent. This fragrance is inspired by Gucci Bloom Eau de Parfum. Let's try it. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's really nice. You know, most perfumes, when I try them, they burn my eyes, but you could tell this is really high quality because it's really smooth. It's very pleasant to the scent. I love that they use clean ingredients in the perfume because it really does make a difference. I like that. Look how the top snaps back on. Anyway, the best thing I love about ordering from Dossier is that they have a risk-free system, allowing the customers to try the perfume without committing. Now every package comes with a small sample that you can try and use before opening the 50 milliliter bottle. They have a standard 30-day return period in which you can return or exchange for free any unsealed perfume bottle and get a full refund. Now, you know the brand name designer scents range from at least $50 to $300 retail. But with Dossier, you get the same quality, but you don't have to pay for all the marketing that goes into making a premium brand. So Dossier's perfumes are just $29. Not only that, but you get great bulk deals on their website, up to 25% discount and free shipping for 3+ bottles. Now, not only do I like to smell great, but I always want my home to smell beautiful. So I also ordered a Dossier scented candle. Their candles are non-toxic, 100% vegetable wax, and they never use cancer-causing paraffins. This one is Gourmand White Flowers. This one is inspired by Viktor and Ralph. Now, I put this one in my bedroom, and when my husband came home, he said, "Wow, it really smells nice in here." So I know I picked the perfect scent because he does not like any scent that is too strong or too sweet. And even though up close in the same room it's not strong, it just smells wonderful. So everyone, click on the link below in the description box to order from Dossier and get 10% off your order using the discount code YourHouseAHomeTV10. Dossier. Beautiful, clean, long-lasting designer fragrances for less.